episode for higher GC news. Mima Obibia Akwaba had the latest hot enamede Bramo. And until so you subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. The way I say over click the subscribe button, you know. Now what barely notification. We have a video for be upload when the first person wants a ebeka a video. Afi we are now what like video no give us a thumbs up now fi share my for so that when you be here now we and somewhere also Ghana memo hadum. Afi yimbura ye semwa abeto yapono so yinkuti ASR report here ababetu ya mama yiti AS ansemu
and as someone America tell me more example wo peki wo bu nyina no a wo bo se enipa we nkedi kwase nko nanti abonten kasa ke Afenyo na koye ECG board chairman Afenyo
yeah ono
and Afenyo nyano catch this for some yakonfo. Why? Because you have NDC MP leadership. Afenyo is a fine man. Afenyo is a very intelligent man. Afenyo is a very brilliant man. When in Yansa, but the area, one who in Jomo Penyansa and the Adi, no most of the area. We see, look, Obi Afenyo never. Any person could be an opportunity to send this in say, oh, yeah, comfort. Never. Oh, I didn't go forward, yeah, no. Yeah, we are no at the 2 almost. Sometimes, when you would take a prayer, now I say, what's wrong? And I said, you, to me, you cooperate to me, say, yeah, they were forming but to correct the wrongs. Oh, the other issue they say, oh, it's too early. Let's wait and see. If you have figures, no more catch number 2 and more. Because you can't tell me, say, 1.250 billion Ghana cedis then you need a year. And you only put us in a year.
Almost in Etias will be angry.
What will be angry? So any pakura was there mean now. Church was being church. What's it to say? So how do I come into terms with that 50 billion Ghana cedis debt? How? The ordinary Ghanaian and what they do is that they mention the figure, no BATM, hey, the money is big, no. And no, it ends there. But you see, we will beg them.
But Kwabena unim, aya na enkrofo ka sese si enipa no ochi no kra na court kra na ade ne beko. Court won so a wode ne beko no ba ko hia chewa ne ma wo ho. Enti no. Nana, Africa se ncho. Yes, se nya na ka no abon. Ai. Nana, they win. And this win, no. Even the judges and the judiciary was overwhelmed that they were ready to align and do the right thing. Okay.
Sure. Yeah. And this again, young performer, the win by no. It was so overwhelming that even the courts were ready to align. Now, Nana, what called ECG? You have been able to identify. Okay, Chicago, concession in here. Say, okay. What training we are? What my evidence? Documentation. What I say? Aremeyaw Agyarko worked as board chairman for ECG from this time to this time. On a sign way. Now you could do court. No judge will try because any prayer Ghana member court to abanon. Any prayer on the two abanon. Ganama, Sanka, and this continue with that any prayer. No judge. no jet. Oh, but Yayama a Janajo. Oh, and quite a joke, and Anusinum air cabishe. And quite a joke, and Anusinum air cabishe. And this in Kennedy MPP view or monocrat Cassa or Ghana. But you must know Atiane Mui and catch. Almost the figures maker. But they should explain to us how. And I know Yenya a Okuja Trablaqua. Honorable. Yaman is our Bemo on the Yemiapa. Your honor, any other catcher said, Yaji and Sassibi. And I'm sending a message, Mura, and Sassi will be wrong. And you want a fast arsenal, let us go. Wait, what our Sassy. A question of fast or far no Yaji, the back. Wait, of our Sassy or her. A company say no fast or fire, then also Yaji the back. Catch her and say, Yaji, a bank as a foreign ministry, I was a foreign ministry, Sassy.
And Crawford dinner was a shot at the Ayas as a Coronano. Said on to chop plot and Crawford dinner as a son.
And the dinner, son. Oh, yeah, a young person as a demand for empty. Ever to see the so. And about Brun Selswa, and I'm saying, just say no. We will be a saving to me in Cabby. Nanyamwa, a young man, no more car, Kanyamuna and Kawan Perchum, Kawan to one account in some full say. Nanka, Bomade Bano, and yes, I'm Perchum. Deputy Minister for Foreign Affairs and the Akufo Addo regime. Oh, yeah, as I say, we our a question of us we are no Yaje. Bobiansa, or also fast as a Bakoha, a question of us or Fano Yaje. I go with Yano for you know, now Mamma did you could have charged them and then this is but a banner indeed. When you want me, and then move from word, you get gabby. Now, Kwaku yet, the Mahama administration is not going to perform.
And there was somebody poor because I said, yeah, who him cross Kwabena will be friend me and someone will catch them and say. And ye cry contract in our crown, the Kwaku did the MPP for him because almost one is a Kwaku D. And your Kwaku MPP and this Nibia only capra bar or Ben will be a no Omako Mano because I said, yeah, Jamoye, we are brothers. One can carry out one nation.
Maybe dear, Kanama, maybe dear, to be honest with you, outside politics, yes, we are brothers. But me, about politics, me who MPP in can say we are brothers that. And see what the life with that. Because MPP didn't know when they say we are brothers who own Yanwa, a quite over fashion. You have no clue. But you see, and American. There was a whoopie up by NDC for say that should be almost a call position. And when they go to a position, they want them to treat them say with kid clothes. Anybody who didn't hear that? Yes, you come up. Anna, I force on better and Crawford, Egu Salome Nom,
Victor Solome, Kwame Pepra, Dana Bodakpi, and a hair for Mokraka.
No. Atamus, any Yura Mahama, or when your opportunity to be on the country, say, oh dear, she says, and Yashi, hey, and Yashi say, oh, dear, for my idea, was a Yashi, and no a giant. What would you are my brother, you are my brother. Oh, we be, I don't really know about Osman, who you are. Osman,
die.
Are your friend Kevin, NCA, one of them? Eddie, Yasia, we are brothers, we are sisters. Well, we can't casino near you if you are grown. And yes, so yeah, and can't cassette. no way you know if you are grown.
You know, do you do movie?
Yo, I'm going to be Piazza now, woman for me.
Yo,
yo, Obiano Bears, you man. Yo, yes, I know. Every before one aircraft. And yeah,
in a car, yeah, you can't Japan. Was it? Ya bregu. Ya bregu.
I don't believe that. Right? What I believe is that, look, we have saved Ghana.
Oh, yeah.
We have saved Ghana. There are certain things, meaning said your mama and crop for almost 5 years, almost 5 years or minor. Your mama or Ato Forson will not wake up one day and order the governor. And Siama said, no. So at least, may just sorry, I'm a Nidian about compare. So,
hello, Kwabena. Hello. Hey, Kwame. Okay. Hello, Kwabena. Tell no who ye na online breaky. Hello.
Oh, 8 years, no, not 8 years of, I mean, horror movie. And Yame, Ayayadom. And in Intina, no. But I was a process. But your best room say process no. Na obia will be figures no ya bre loto numbers no de mine no ya bre 80 billion 50 billion 30 billion no ya bre. They should explain to us what happened. This is what happened. Anybody who seen a year we. Okay, so your Jainama Attorney General. Attorney General should deal with the matter. Okay, so we are looking up to Attorney General. Yes, Uboso Mino, Ubia set it up.
Okay.
But say no. Acquire young cabin. Nana, when you say you were in Tipa now.
Oh, there be where the Betram said, I will bet on common announce would be a goose. Now, honorable. Honorable Niha. Eti, I was have honorable Kwabena Biansa, and then Guswa Menene Air Cassano. Tell me some phone person do appointment here, Diagro. What could Pebina Wanyana, Nadia Catcher woman?
Well, Nana, my main chair was here for wow. Ceciano, Nim Dintia, and Crawford money as Simiso. From last week, I have received videos and other audios, and me free media colleagues no Obikra Sunday me tape be say, oh yeah, a day in the cozy. And I was a minia now, me patrol, oh yeah, Mills and then Mahama no. Yeah, you interior minister, and I say you defense minister. You see, and my main assembly and Twitter. Maybe be answer. I lived under Atamel's regime. Atamel's, the late President Mills was a very good friend of mine through a year Minya Kokonido. President Mills farm sent it back. And a public knowledge. And I'm a boy. So, obviously, say, ye ka appointment. That time. Pacho Menga.
Kwabena with them, mete on kapa.
That time. President Mills time. We worked from 2008. Me joined in this campaign in September. Dominic Isi and na oyemi producer and then my President Mills as a reporter. Dominic Isi was a perfect in Juma that time.
Papa, another Kisi Abu Adia said, I want to know.
Then, and this winnie, look, Nanama, President Mills winnie, me now me no mudia grow our radio source at time. Me, Felix Ofosukwache, Dr. Manebuama, Kobi Fiagbe, Paturi, any other yeah. Maybe I tell even current ministers are even farming some and mobile into limelight. Maybe I tell me men so be our office that never men so be office that because not a woman say we die on my way make Akufo Addo be say on mine. And for President Mills to come and fill that gap, now me okay. President Mahama offering Neba straight. Me 4 years. Me nim obi as me buy ne ho ebesre contract. Me nya buy contract da. If you say me DNDC, me nya buy contract da. Me da na me sorry a me ko here me ala. Na ma to bi edi. Ma pe bi akoma abusuafo na mtem ba bi. Me no obi ani asase ho manso. Me no obi ani oba ho manso. Me no obi ani Agyapade bi ho manso. Ye no na mepɛ metime ba bi. O ma me bia me da ase o ma me fa before year ba 2024 election nanama the kasem we debia na me kase the issue is not about political position send this to me bu omani ye na se ya ma me hwe kra no a me ni o how bia nanama se me kan Kwame no betumi
Debia Kwabena woka ne dia sempa no dia pa me di adanse
enye se bia ena me baba be kasa asem we but what is the issue enti say ya mabo bi ehwe a say aban no ntimi enkoso is that the argument
but Kwabena enye argument no kra no enkrofo hunu say Kwabena for 8 years last 8 years active just say we crowd the media lawyer media actors ne professionalism we dey atonche we ye party adwuma and then ye hu enkrofo a true you say bi no ye chief executive officers no ne ade ente bi no mo hwa kwan say enki ye bubo din a na nka Kwabena bo bi ansan so din apie mu bi ana
no you see nanama excuse my language a baseless argument. What is it? And this no be a family free. You see, me catch almost say, me catch won't to me a radio phone say, me NDC sympathizer. Me say 2008 me say me support NDC though. There is nowhere at a point in time where look even multimedia ada omu yimedi etikwam no mbusa me o ya NDC ni na say me NDC ni me NDC ni de ope biaye I'm saying you ain't me no nyajuma. And I'm saying from later mam na me nkofie. Because me fie na me de me ko fa me fufu osi jaso na me bo me jemo e ben ya me wodi ye na me de me twere dan. Me NDC ni I'm not a sympathizer. Me NDC member and I'm proud. Compare me say me de be kwa da kamrem. So I'm not running away. I'm not shying away being at NDC. Na I'm no kasa na MPP for no. I'm nyina MPP for no appointment. What would you have an appointment?
Sir, Eduma, ye, and you be no more ye.
Eduma Bena, me, and this, no, when I'm calling a ballot box, will see me metri, a man this week. 8
years, Eduma, ye, no, do every crowd now with them, and your more expect to be. And then me try, dear, make us send me. Look, me, JM, echo, a provocatra. Ganama. Yeah, this studio, I cast bag, na my bread, and minya shame, huh? Yeah, make us some way. Me, I mean, you have a nickel for watching better no better. You call Pristia and a gem, no, you bra, a Quabiasi. You course I have there. Could be just a Kwabena, my bro, young side. Nam's share, offer, young go. Oh, that's a very market. Yeah, there be a jam, a real Brian. And I'm going to see any about say, well, of course, says constituency, 16 constituencies, you say, you, that's the way. Oh, we talk as if JM no there, Wanyashi, or that's sorry, no baby president. We talk as if so, JM a bush of crowd there, or one contribution. Look, I'm even to fill V8, Makuma 15.
tank to move across the country. You have no idea. You have no idea. So, enye Bobien Kwan na ye adwuma, enye Nana Mankwan na ye adwuma, enye Joma Mankwan na ye adwuma. Ye nyina ye modern mo ene de asevu o mine. But the question is, ye save o mine say e baba be wi o mine and na say e be che o mine afa. 4 years. What do I do now? What I need to do is to position myself that at least one day the president will remember me. So, Kwabena Makairo, and then midway show start. Now, I'm supposed to get Ghana for you, make me aye.
The teacher said, otchere for me, boy. Otchere for me, boy.
No, Nana. Menka say, Menka say, resha for the other say, I don't want you to say, as a player. Obi move na memra Debbie. What I want to say is enema bebre akwanya bebre wo o dia say obi minimum obi kura no na appointment e dia ma no ne na ni nso o say sha me minim bebre ba ko ni mi di nkomo na me ka che say be ma so mu sa ni nyina ne say you know who ye dey so o bampani person wo ye ebia after 1 year 2 years obe move you akoba before who knows what the mawa also esa na the onya bia
na many lights on me them into a bar power I had who say ECG for doing na me die na chi am be pa me cho say me sam fa light in bra me them am go say Jimmy meters ni nyina e be sesa no leakages na wo ECG ni nyina na e be so ano many abre
70 bank account
what be that nipa Afenyo Markin board chairman 490 million within some seconds. I didn't call microseconds. Or no call Ghana Water Company as board chairman. Mr. Man who contracts 300 in 1 year. Afenyo Markin. But the one who said who did papa be politics more no. I drew the real politics more but dead sooner or later. Yes.
Full of himself.
Yes, full of himself. And he does not care about anybody. So selfish. Debbie me say last me train see what. I don't want to be wasting time on him, and he will not survive as minority leader. What would the NDC for their checking? Mahama Yariga. Hey, yes, Mahama Yariga will school him at every point, at every corner. More appointments committee.
How about
yes, also raising issue be on the aura. Look at the education that Mahama Yariga gave to him. That you go and check. Article 41F of the 1992 Constitution. And do you know the executive authority of the president?
Mahama Yariga so timbrano.
John Dramani Mahama, the dramatic.
First time.
I said the dramatic John Dramani Mahama. TNDO, Abebio.
Sankofa.
Yeah, Abebio. What's Abebio? And look at his style. His second coming. Oh, Joe, you see where no it's not hit the ground running. No, we leave the ground flying.
35.
The first appointment, the stopgap goalkeeper. So we know Chief Julius Debra,
fantastic man.
Chief Julius Debra. Ordinu ba hope. No, me say no. One say Chief Julius Debra no. I know say oyoba sebio owa badaye. Owa badaye mo bia. Me na me catch a bad time. Me a lister. Me friend. Me yeshi. Me kwa do no office. Me do ope. Debi. Me mbuku appointment. Me opema semwana me so me pena semwana nti me wo baabi a eya me mpese me ko baabi owo no because on ye nyina ye force no ye pe agi okita okita akuma pa the guy name Achimota na pay obi ka kire me but I don't want to talk about it ye guy name edin mu so me ye sure so tie stop nipa no de ne ba chief of staff no mu odu presidency hokra ne nipa odi omo akọ Nathan Kofi Boakye ye this COPB no dey na ba ho no no
Osman
yeah
why ACP for 8 years
be say
one parliament man promote
the number
you are winning power na and you promoting the code this COP and we be national security
watch nipa Mugabe and America say nipa look at Prosper Barney advice on security matters.
Interior
yes, me papa no Shaoji on Pekasa on no between the whole month on Kasa just observing American trained. I didn't know. Me see, I saw Munti from the first, first round.
Executive secretary, no. Dr. Callistus.
Oh, Callistus Mahama. No, they say.
What you have brought that one? Yes.
Yeah, Mugabe, green paper, who there was so. Who say who white paper, who him there was.
Dr. Valerie Soya.
So yeah, Hono squad, Madame Brew, Marietta Pong, Hono squad, in America, stop gap, goalkeeping in the department. Led by Julius Debra and Kasane, solid. Then the 3 center backs.
Jinapo.
Yes. Ato Forson.
Ato Forson.
Yes. And Dominic Ayeni. And you know why I call them
center backs?
3 center backs.
And only center back.
Obumia is saying about 5. But Obi ball on them. Obi ball the left side. And Obi ball the be fine. And look at them. They have all been deputy ministers before. And at every time when they were deputy ministers.
Okay, Jinapo.
Yes, he was a deputy minister for energy.
Forson.
Yes.
Ayene.
Yes, all of them deputy ministers for AG and deputy minister for finance. And Jinapo too was deputy minister for energy. But look at it all. Jinapo in his time, the boss Elusu Nejuma, because of Nasemo Koka our public about Dumsono. Donko. Yes. Donko. This young man at the time had to step in for the minister for 18 months. Not Dumso Chigana Tesenyina, but he stood up to the challenge. Look at him, his affability, his humility. Oh, me Alisa me fatally for me, why am I fatally for them Fred John Jinapo no afa. Na send your new Kasakra no. Alistair, what is it? Send the panel, Udinako share energy ministry, or the Akumapane Ekoho. And you will respond to everybody. So ECG, I will whisper into the Minister of Energy's ears. I know the person who can manage ECG. The person is there as a director. Is one of their directors. Upamami monitoring. Meaning in the core school. Look, she has principles. I used the feminine so they'll even see who I'm talking about. She has principles. She has been there. She has been groomed to the top. And she's sincere. She's sincere to the process. She was my classmate in Achimota School.
Wow.
Yes. And she has risen through the ranks to get there. I'll whisper into John Jinapo's ears that she should name that lady to go and clear the mess at ECG. Because I said, I call 84 bank accounts. Company are buying there. Who running how many accounts? Who need savings account? Who need investments account? Who they discount to Muanamu Dikeke? Look at how you have run the place out. Yes, 32% leakage at the place. John has a lot of work to do, and we must form a hedge to support him to succeed.
With Ayene as aging.
And I may ban
Akronfo bit me.
Because Afenyo Markin will be leading the charge for the MPP to go to court to go and face the Attorney General. And Afenyo Markin can never match Ayene any day, anywhere on any case. Ayene lecturer at the University of Ghana. Go and check. He was a lecturer for a long time. All through Akodi MP Mponeya Sem to get his replacement. The university, I'm told, they had to find 3 people to stand in for one person who was just leaving. And then when he became MP2, look at his demeanor and his people. I serving them down to earth. I told you he was deputy minister for Attorney General. He humbled himself. He learned the ropes
from Maretta.
Yes, bro, Paul. This is the time. He's baked. He was ranking member when we were in opposition. So he's fully baked for the job. I'm saying, look at his demeanor. He will match Afenyo Markin. No, but no questions. I will be saying, he has interest. So that man debts now will be questions. So be aging. You will see soon Afenyo Markin in court trying to defend those people to come and take the money from us. Then you come to Ato Forson, I beg you. Hey, Charlie Ato, you don't surprise me at all where you have gotten to. Yes, when they made you minority leader, I had doubts. I'm a honest man. So I became a little bitter. But on the second day, when I saw you on your press conference, then I heard the reason why they brought you, that we're going to fight on the economic front. I said, no, I have to support Ato. Yes, he has been my fan all this while. But I'm saying the mode with which they even changed and brought him and other things, and other circumstances, the party has moved on. And we have done other things. So Ato, his training, he's an accountant, BSc, first degree. He did his taxation in economics, his second degree in taxation. And then he himself, another PhD.
Product from Oxford.
Yes, product from Oxford. And he has done a lot of public finance. So he understands the job. And you see, he was deputy minister under who? Set Tekpe. Yes. You understand? Set Tekpe o training wa. Setekpe 1982. People must be careful. Setekpe 1982 squad. The people who sacrificed to make the revolution what it was at the time, up until now. So he has been part of the process for a long time. Coach somebody in tier 2. So like I told you, the back three, the goalkeeper is solid. The back three too is solid. And as for the coach, John Dramani Mahama, the dramatic Abebio, Asabebio, I have a different view about how we want to collect it. But the discount myself faculty got them. Safako, yeah, discount myself faculty got them. US for munim sikano the ma no. Dollars no the ma say faculty got them. Uko yi wo bank munim Syria no mesno. Opa yen ko US forensic audit no mun fa mo details mra. Ne sikane ye hu ye wo fie ni fan compare. Say yen ye sika. Small boys are mobile bem. You didn't have anything. Boys and Afenyo Markin mu Boakye mattress ba na nabi. You didn't have anything. Boakye mattress no man. Boakye mattress. A champion boano no yes spring mattress 1970s. And no di nya sika. Or di worry mark baby wo na nabi. Yes. National organizer MPP. Yes. Ne papa ni Boakye mattress on be that too. Boakye mattress ye Akufo bar power or to to fear or be makam 5,000 Ghana cedis. 5,000. Yes, about 4 or 6 houses. Now I'm for being renting in Nipebi. Please, oh my na yomu dia ye 2 my dear so munye din and this just these 9 days no. And yomu say ya trap power 30 years. They have started criticizing. Look at my DP. I've put John Mahama's car on my DP. Me probio so one yansa. No ni mbe argument was car no ho. Ono ani car, una automano. Me bisa una automano. Oh eh mu state protocol, mu na mo talk car no man. What? Mumu the cameras across share old cars in order to monitor his movements. Yeah, the book I say you need intel. We will not use it. And he has brought his own car. The guy is prepared to Mumani kochire come with ye, a man it's any rent, it's any water bill, it's any light bill. Look, this is one of the wisest president. It's a manifestation of a wise man who has taken over. What 8 years? Nitty gritty on a daily basis has monitored what has been going on. And for me, his outing, his ministers a free Eastern region. Shobano, I didn't buy Eastern region. What? Look at the greater Accra. Namomo. Oh, yeah, Charlie, there's work to be done, and there are great people who are behind the work. Yes, oh, yes. Yes, when the names come up and they pop up, look at Sammy Jenfi. What precious minerals. Me why I was enthused by Sammy Jenfi is that Osi Obeseti Gold Board. And the Gold Board is to find ways of revitalizing the mining sector and restructuring small-scale mining and to make sure that the gold benefits Ghanaians. So Sammy Jenfi has a lot of work to do, and I know me, as I sit here, he will succeed. I'm telling you. Very. Oh, of course. Why? The direct boss no. It won't to me yesterday. Basintale. No reading Abbas. But Cocoa board no me. Yeah. Your mommy. Say, oh dear, Aruna Disu. Wayade papa. Wayade. Bukabi se me ka honorable onye binka. Honorable favor no onye binka. Say, onu dear obey board chairman. O pa mark baby en sonka. Honorable so go mu akwa. Wase ni kom.
Next time be an patcho salist ba mema because say age no ye po yempo achi ti say woni obi a e wo nya kokora wo ye younger no na mo so go dia otimi kasa se wo so no ya na ehwe hu de o betima ye bi cross alone. Never been one minimum. No, I'm far age who near the young. I experience retire for. Yes. And we experience no. We are young Ukraina. I was here church. Sir. I did back on Kaya Misri and he said, see between me and he said, oh, say, American force can only bano. Or more aggressive. No, na Sikana call you a coach, reclaim. Yako hunu mpana no epa he me check in rate na no mamu na me no nyaadwe ne papa sa ebi se kanu American phone kukuru dollar no ma transaction plus and minus into bank one ya place. Yes, I see Canada, Bank of Ghana.
Bank of Ghana.
And this kind
but net so
Bank of Ghana.
Yes, Bank of Ghana my last time I payments. Serial numbers of the dollars.
I've been say no dia krono ni dia yenim say pay fee. I know dia nya say. Obi na beka. Moga. Mamemfa wakwanya iso na menchia atifo nyina. Me feel say sa station we say NSA tiana se ka say NDC adi nkonim JDM His Excellency onya 57% awoko 58 amane enkenye asisie eni ehunahuna ni tua kindis nkie kura 188 members of parliament moga we nyina ye ka nyina ye South station we edi mu akudim pa na etiminya asa nkudie no menkase we nko a there are several other stations wa we ni mintimi mboti pa we ni stations no anura na me radio gold what's me nchia pa Boakye what's me nchia anopano na me wa hoto citizen any Alaska say hey ukwa aka kire mo gabi si achia no ye nyina de ntoma bom wo hwe adwuma mo ye ya wo se edamase na na se kase ni de nyina anim se yo trade ampon yankopon ene dema na dominti amen na ye bedru baby atri na minim se se ba wo topics no di nyina bom Erio Fabia me pacho neno e de mpa na opese yenka ene freestyle
fa me kwa ablekuma kakra na ye
ablekuma no
yeah
well ablekuma no for there me feel say
7 time
MPP I don't know Jen Mensa me feel say ono ankasa I don't know whether say still adwuma no why na dwene so obesa ya na say onye because Jen Mensa de ono a wo yin ho adi dada I mean and yes say any better but incompetence now what show no and a sub procurement bitches are ewura hono and you be never catch James as uncle I don't know what I said the police for that within echi soldier for no and answer ne armor cars na more protecting the fear no omo da so one answer omo so mo who made di hu ya papa I don't know because a soldier for back be do me enu a police for back be nwotwe and then it dinachi.
Omama ne posifo.
Entino.
Unqualified for soldiers.
Oh, and I mean, there be unqualified for police ni. What is it? I didn't Afarijan, Yamana police in Ukraine.
Oh, there be say, oh yeah, or cost to 70 at least one.
There be cost to service and what are you telling me? What cost to service a day? Are there Bonnie Ben ready? And the constitution also did so. Now the constitution, pepper. I don't know so bone. One near why you're Bonnie or my di chrono no medino.
To be say man, am I a money bambo?
Hey, ya kura. Na electoral commission me pacho. Why kese asini mi soro ga meti ya na.
Debi.
Mi bisa kwese.
Debi.
Na me wa say police ni timi fieda.
Debi.
On say police ni wo mka da. Wo be fi on say me wo police ni wo gate wo.
Debi.
But wo ya be ma balance wo ba be di boni.
Me ho so crown timi mfa.
Exactly. Ntino minua.
Mami bom fa we.
Young cross baby or young cross
no go area
what do now cross over jina faako aka say me pamucho mumra
me frɛ wa ba
ye release bi mami nko
obeye de o me gate
entina no de yemfa ni agro hwɛ Ablekumanov a honkwampo e wasi yeji electoral commission ene na pamfo no nyina di only
Ablekumanov papa
at least anye ye kura 2020 nyama wuye ye fun wuye nka odi kuro yi ko akum ekwo na yanka say yenya wobi to say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama can say look me mpese moja ba kumpo begu because me power
nebi
enka e ba bia enka nenka ja dagana na je mense wan fa nsua de because wunya judges are wo protect wo
no ne
oh yamani nyina box num yanya ne kan say chachu me misa question say na pa ma me no oba box num tinya botro be gina box num awobisa
na manzo e
yan yasa who say hey chachu the way I want pop matuo num ma me ne bass me
asembesi
yamani ma yan dey ho
dey na be
but that was a bad decision just sending your boy pa
na one na catch was no
bad decision
he wasn't interested in a good decision he was given a job. Say job where make sure say ye bebe piano enye ye. Na oya ni job for fefe. Eni etuanika.
Appointing authority. And then
say no abedru be bia. Yan kasi e ba be so mo atwe.
Ni de kura yira.
Na nyira say.
Okwa so ye de pa no de ko ye. Won say lawyer be tire asem be fa no on level allegation be won to me ma time ya.
Ablekumanov. Eye ba bia NDC a hwe constitution no ne ye me ya ne say the very laws were jemense jina so ka say yenye the CI 127 a wo jina ka say yenye ne yemfa nto aba no ekurukura bi ni wa odi so wabutu ni nyina
and you say you kura to me ni so some phone
exactly because wabutu ni because that time no na tumi no ekura Akufo Addo ani Bawumia na wo say butu no
ma me no say bi so kire no
Intino.
Yes. No, I was a baby so chair.
Na say onu ano. Say no. Say petition. Me petition kura nyanko do oba be kono
won tentem kura ne ho nto.
Me petition.
Oya phone to mo ne
boss. Petition bi bre ko. Because enya obi na be ka adwuma na wa ye ne nso ani. Na constitution ni kire say adwuma na dia mo no so wantimi anya na nso ani a. Yetimi fa won yi wati. Aya simple and straightforward.
Competent.
Masa NDC enyina wa.
Amanfo obuafu. Amanfo obuafu.
Mugabe
sometimes no course ahụ menya no Mugabe want to go na maka chere say there be no ene free no eba no onse no amamba security no I mean what's in the Persia ye come
guy in Ablekumanov is too much no it's too much
it's too bad and you say ya when ya dim kunim na te say ye niam te say there I mean onabusurugu ya tena hwa mahwe posifo a omoda so ye district and commanders dan pardon ni mponi a wade in the police service hwe papa ya wabe national security coordinator hwe nia eni dia dan pardon di papa no for 8 good years ACP ya promote no ye to abawie ya wote hense papa no ye be man top appointment di wa command di
na say Osman whether you like it or not Osman started JDM enye Yane ne me loyalty. We you be an adwinmu abie. Na under this present circumstances na me ko for obi obedi mechia. Na me ko for obi an adwinmu.
Dan pa na asanka o reason ko reason.
Onye yie kura no. Ye say wunim owu a no abena. We will free near ye dey JD mana. We will free. Say ye this kind one kasa agidi say papa we dem ni na be adwuma. No ko for papa.
The be a learned man like Dr. Gariba. One man so no the nako to baby. Just like that. No no be catch Ghana for say official as IGP we need to be competent we be to take that office that useless talk from a useless IGP.
Say Dr. Gariba at na Greater Accra Krono no mo person mo bono omutimi mo enti Dr. Gariba mo nko workshop workshop no mo dey nko tinaye papa qualified masa o tiadwuma na se
Bonga Yosa.
No.
Bonga Yosa.
I don't know why the man is sitting there. Why are they?
Obo Crofoding. I say Obo na me hwe sa. Kofi Boakye. Oye old boy T.I. Amas.
Yeah, Ori Amas.
Masa, me wo ho no, da bia me ka. Kofi ba ye me na me so no mu, awa too. Na me any senior. Yeah. But Kofi say he's prepared to learn. Sober. Na nadwini mu abie pa ompe nkwasi asem
hey there be no nonsense man
nkwasi asem na
sina mechia o
wuntumi edi na wuntumi kasaba no hwe ni
ora no bajuma no
ankure ahwi ni mu no ene ye dede enti no no ankasa o yese no odi na ni hwewo na ni hwewo no wa unim no obeye masa pi dogi so wa otie mi prosper bani menen the same course same year, same hall. University of Ghana, P. Doggy. You know political.
My friend is saying
P. Doggy.
Prosper Douglas
Bunny. Oh, Una Bonnie, P. Doggy.
And another finance man who also waha. No, in charge of SWAT. Ye man suwa hum satam.
Master.
Twice tamale. And then twice tamale no. Ye the number Jubilee House.
Master, let me tell you one thing.
Ni did the ACPTU.
Yeah, meaning.
Yes.
Mugabe. Let us not make a mistake. Red ninja. Mommy and your mistake is said, Yahunqua don'ti, and a skitty man, or Mutumai, the woman to Mayano. Woman to Mayan because they are against the leadership. Their leadership. The one who said, President Biobabano, leadership in Yombeko. Until we cannot afford to disappoint the skitty people.
So you are saying that the top hierarchy must all be
all of them should go and stay.
They don't have integrity. They should have resigned by now. All of them, they don't have integrity. No, I'm telling you. They don't have it.
I to Abama soldier for and then I'm to Kugu. Nipa 5 in the Wu about 2 women. I'm here 5. Mianga say, I want to investigate 2020. They investigated the Asatu year. Nipa Makumakono.
Let me say, Mugabe, let me somebody say, don't do the end. Also, on the count says it don't know. And the bound and the baton there, Bayer Juma, Mauko Macasa. As a man in Kenya say, your power. And then you say, be a power. Ye kwa kwesere MPB so o meka ye honi ye wo quorum mienu o mo pekwa mo kolif na me Afenyo Markin ne hu aba ne hu su no dwe but ya na me blame no because that is the only rule between our places from majority I was no ya man nkotena minority desk no so because musio
case man
case
useless
that's a more 137 no wanya obi nso a was one de hey na dwini awu na de count 138 and was one got so and na amra wo mu lusu ya no meti say all lobin left right center pacho ya man minority na nimbegu ase micro minority na fe de all lobby.
You waiting for Winnie and someone about better. Yaponoso Mikao say so. We don't subscribe to channel idea, but more than say over subscribe. Now, while like video, don't give us a thumbs up. Now, share my work for Froso. Now, when you be here now, and somewhere also, ever Ghana memoir. Also, bet me otchere wondering afai and some way you know, ever comment box in mo. Obeti Minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.